Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I will build a drag racer car, and I will show you how I did it. And my drag racer car have some features about aerodynamics, and I have also used some rockets or boosters to boost the speed. So yeah, so now I will just speed up the process, and um, let us see what happens. So basically now I'm making the frame of the car, and we want a drag racer to be long and narrow in front, and a little bit thicker at the back. So this is the front of the car, and I will do everything in wood. I don't know, basically um, it's lighter, and it will make the car able to run faster. So now I'm placing the front wheels, and by placing a pipe, 90 degrees pipe, and a ball bearing, so I can control it. So that was the front of the car, and now I will go to the back of the car and make the wheels for the back end. So basically I always build my the back end of the car, and I attach I always use springs in order to make the ride smoother. This one is a light spring, and so first, in order to avoid doing the things over and over, building the same stuff on both sides, it will be very time consuming. So I will always start to build the one side of the car first, and then if I like the design, or if I like the solution, I will apply it to the other side. So with this back end side, you can see I have built a spring like this, and I really like this solution, so I basically build it on the other side of the car afterwards. So yeah, now I will try to speed up the process a bit. So if you don't know how to turn the items to fit it on the right way, just press Q, and then you can turn it. As you saw with the pipes, sometimes it's facing the opposite way. You just press Q, and then it will turn. So another feature at the back end is the aerodynamics of a dragster. We wanted we want the dragster because it's so fast, so it tend to fly somehow. So therefore we want the dragster to be attached to the track. So therefore we will build a wing at the end of the dragster, and we will tilt it like 45 degrees, and that make the car able to stay on the road. So the wing section is basically wood, also wood, and let me know if you have any ideas for the wing section. So I can try it on this drag racer. So I will just try to see if we can attach 4 engines to the back wheels. Maybe it's possible, but let's try. Okay, it isn't possible, so yeah, we have to remove it. So by attaching the wheels to the machines, you have to attach it to the control seat, and yeah, and then you can accelerate just to test if everything is working. Okay, it's driving the opposite way, and we have to change the turning, the way of turning. So as you can see, the wheels are working and the machines are working. So let's connect the front end to the control, so we can control the front end of the car. So let's test it again. Okay, we have to adjust the front wheels in order to turn it the right way, like that. And then we just need to, yes, it's working. Okay, let's go to the next stage. We will put it on the left, and so let us build the wing, the back wing, and I was just searching for some kind of special material in order to do it. So maybe there's nothing special in here, so I will just do it in wood anyway. This is very heavy. There is holes in it, so it doesn't really work. This is metal, so it's not so efficient. Okay, let's do it in wood. Oops, sorry. One of the things I don't really like with this game is this kind of errors happening all the time by me somehow, or it's my mouse, or it can also be because the game is not so fast, or it's too fast. I don't really know. So sometimes I have problems when I want to build something in wood, it just it just something happens, and the wood just I think it's maybe some kind of lag, or because my PC is not able to run this game properly. There's something in the way, so it always make like when I build and drag somehow, and then it just continues building. Oh, something. We just need to adjust the back wing. I start with the rotation should be 75, but it's too much, so we should adjust it to 45 degrees. Like that. The other thing I don't really like with this game is because we are not able to put numbers in it. So like in Excel, you can just click on a cell and then put some number. Here, it's not really. I don't think it's practical somehow to like drag it on the sides in order to have it in plus and minus. It's a cool feature, but it's not working for me. So it could be a super idea to also be able to click on it and then